Hello everyone. Today we will read the seventh chapter of Maths. The title of this chapter is Measurement. Measurement means मापना. Measurement. 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 Measurement means मापन. Let's start. Longer, shorter. छोटा, बड़ा. This pencil is shorter and this pencil is longer. This stair is longer and this stair is shorter. This leaf is shorter and this leaf is longer. So that take the longer in these pictures. This leaf is longer. This is longer as compared to this. Take right the shorter. This thread is shorter and this stick is shorter. Longest, shortest. सबसे बड़ा, सबसे छोटा. Longest, shortest. This chili is shortest and this chili is longest. Take the longest. This is longest. Take the longest. This is longest. Take the shortest. This stick is shortest. Taller, shorter. लंबा, छोटा. This giraffe is taller and this giraffe is shorter. This man is taller and this man is shorter. Take the taller. This bird is taller and this cow is taller. This bird is duck is taller and this cow is taller. Take the shorter. This dog is longer and this dog is shorter. This dog is shorter. This tree is shorter. Tallest, longest, tallest, shortest. सबसे छोटा, सबसे बड़ा, सबसे छोटा. This house is longest, tallest and this house is shortest. This tree is shortest and this tree is tallest. This plant is shortest and this tree is tallest. Take the tallest. Duck is tallest. Take the shortest. This joker is shortest. Thicker, thinner. Thinner means patla and thicker is mota. Thicker means mota. Thinner means patla. This hair is thinner and this hair is thicker. This thread roll is thicker and this thread roll is thinner. This is thinner and this is thicker. So that take the thicker. This is thicker. This root is thicker. This is thicker and this root is thicker. Take the thinner. This is thinner and next this thread is thinner. Next thickest, thinnest. सबसे मोटा, सबसे पतला. This book is thinnest and this book is thinnest. Thickest. This book is thinnest and this book is thickest. This paper roll is thickest and this paper roll is thinnest. Next, take the thickest. This pencil is thickest. Take the thinnest. This brush is thinnest. Heavier, lighter. भारी, हल्का. This is heavier and this is tomato is lighter. Elephant is heavier and ant is lighter. Take the lighter. Shirt is lighter as compared to lock. Shirt is lighter. Take the lighter. This cylinder is lighter. Take the heavier. Thread roll is heavier as compared to kite. Next, dolphin is heavier as compared to fish. Heaviest, lightest, सबसे भारी, सबसे हल्का. This watermelon is heaviest and this watermelon is lightest. Take the heaviest. This tank is heaviest as compared to this. Take the lightest. This dress is lightest as compared to this. Take the heaviest. This is heaviest as compared to this. Measurement. The book is 3 spans long. The table is 6 spans long. Trace your friend's hand span here. Measure. My table is 5 span long. My pencil is 2 span long. My classroom blackboard is 3 pencils long. The carpet is 10 feet long. The mat is 6 feet long. Guess the distance between two trees and write. Thanks for watching.